Looking for the best tire shine that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best tire shine that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Exoforma Tire Shine. This water-based tire dressing is an excellent choice for anyone seeking an exceptionally glossy, wet-looking finish without the hassle of complicated detailing. Its premium, non-greasy silicone formula delivers an intense shine that can dramatically refresh dull or faded tires, making it suitable for cars, trucks, ATVs, and RVs. One of its biggest advantages is the rapid curing time, allowing the surface to become dry to the touch within minutes, while minimizing the risk of sling contaminating freshly cleaned paintwork. Application is also straightforward, whether sprayed directly or spread with an applicator, making routine tire detailing quick and effortless. Beyond appearance, the formula includes built-in UV inhibitors to help defend tires against harmful sunlight and premature deterioration, particularly for vehicles parked outdoors. Overall, it combines dramatic visual enhancement, fast drying, easy application, and added UV protection in a convenient water-based formula for a polished, professional-looking finish. Next up is Chemical Guy's Tire Shine. This tire shine is a versatile detailing solution for restoring a deep, wet appearance to dull automotive surfaces while providing a polished, freshly detailed finish. Its rich formula works effectively on rubber, vinyl, and plastic, making it suitable for tires, exterior trim, bumpers, weather stripping, engine bay plastics, and even various marine surfaces. The extra glossy finish enhances faded areas and brings back color and luster, helping your vehicle look cleaner and more professionally maintained between washes. Application is simple. Spray directly onto the surface or an applicator, spread evenly, and wipe away excess for a smooth, dry-to-the-touch finish without an overly greasy feel. Beyond appearance, it helps protect surfaces from fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by environmental exposure. Its broad compatibility also makes it useful for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, including coated, wrapped, and clear bra surfaces. Coming in at number 3 is Street Legal Tire Shine. This tire dressing is a practical choice for achieving a deep, high-gloss wet look while keeping regular vehicle maintenance simple and efficient. Its rich formula enhances the appearance of tires with a noticeably glossy finish that helps freshly detailed wheels stand out. A major advantage is the no-sling formulation, designed to remain on the tire rather than splattering onto painted panels or wheels as you drive, reducing cleanup after application. The fast-drying performance is equally convenient, leaving a clean, non-greasy surface that is ready for the road within minutes. Its multi-surface compatibility also adds versatility, making it useful for maintaining different automotive surfaces where a refreshed appearance is desired. The included 4-pack offers particularly good value for frequent detailing, allowing you to keep a consistent shine without constantly replacing your supply. Overall, it combines impressive gloss, quick drying, reduced mess, and long-term convenience for routine vehicle care. Now number 4, Car Guy's Tire Shine. Car Guy's Tire Shine Spray is a versatile detailing solution that lets you customize your tire finish from a glossy wet look to a smoother satin appearance. Its quick-drying, non-greasy formula leaves tires feeling clean without oily residue, streaks, or excessive runoff, while the included applicator pad makes precise and even application easier. Beyond enhancing appearance, the dressing helps condition tires and protect against UV exposure that can contribute to fading, cracking, and browning. Its proprietary polymer is designed to improve durability, allowing the shine and protective effect to last longer from a single application. The no-sling performance is particularly useful for preventing product from transferring onto nearby paintwork during driving. Overall, it combines customizable shine, convenient application, and long-lasting protection in one user-friendly formula. Made and bottled in the USA, it also emphasizes consistent manufacturing quality and responsive customer support, making it a dependable option for routine tire and vehicle detailing. And finally, our last pick is Cerakote Tire Shine. This ceramic tire coating offers a significant upgrade over traditional tire sprays by providing durable protection rather than a temporary wash-away shine. When applied to clean, dry tires, it helps maintain a rich satin black appearance for substantially longer, reducing the need for frequent reapplication. Instead of an overly glossy or greasy wet look, it restores a clean, factory-style finish with low to medium gloss that looks refined and natural. Once cured, the dry-to-touch surface helps minimize sling onto surrounding paint while resisting the dirt-attracting residue common with conventional dressings. Its true ceramic technology also helps protect tires from UV exposure, dust, dirt, and road grime that can contribute to fading, oxidation, and browning over time. Application is straightforward with the included foam applicator. Clean the tires, apply the coating evenly, and remove excess. Overall, it delivers long-lasting appearance enhancement and practical protection with minimal maintenance. So those are the top 5 best tire shine you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.